Welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for Purl 2 Together. So I've got a little sample piece here. It's James Seabrett's Amazon Super Chunky and 10mm needles. So purling 2 together is a decrease. It's basically the same as knit 2 together except you're purling 2 together instead. So I'll just purl a couple of stitches, and then this is where I want to do our decrease. So we go through the first and then the second, and we purl those together. So we'll do it again, through 2 like that, and then you purl them together. So down through the front to purl, and do it together, and again. And that's all there is to it. There's your decreases. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much.